Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how we can install MetaMask. So let's start it. Let's search on the Google MetaMask download. Here it is. The website name is metamask.io. I am on Firefox, so it's given the option of install MetaMask for Firefox. If you have Chrome or any other browser, then you can install it just like that. Let's install it and add to Firefox. Okay, here it is. Access your data for all website input data to report display notification to you. Okay, got it. So here it is. It's added here. You can click on it and see it here also, and also there is a tab in which you have to set up your account. So let's get started. Here, help us to improve your MetaMask. You can agree on it, or also you can deny it by clicking on no thanks. So in both way you will be able to create your account. So if you have already account, then you will have to import the secret recovery phrase. If you are creating first time, then follow this step. Create a wallet just using the password. Agreed. Let's create it. Here is a video to describe about a secret recovery phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. Let's skip it and go to next window. Here it is. You will get the secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning: never disclose your secret recovery phrase anyone. With this phrase can take your ether forever. So this is the secret uh, phrase that you have to keep it, and you don't never share with anyone. If someone asking it, it means they are doing some type of scam with you. No website should ever ask you for secret recovery phrase of your MetaMask account. So I have copied it, and now I have to pick up my secret phrase, recovery phrase. It is panic. I have blurred it for security reasons. You will able to see your secret phrase here. Just follow the sequence and select all the words, and then press confirm. Here it is. Congratulations, you have passed the test. Keep your secret phrase safe. It's your responsibility. So here it is. Now all done. Here it is. We have successfully installed and create our first account in MetaMask. Thank you.